This episode of The X Factor is sponsored by Squarespace.com.
This is your ally on the train. Hey, did you just get out of the sarcophagus where the mummies are? You look like a little mummy.
I don't read books. A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Oh no, his hat's too tight. There you go.
Whoa! Follow my lead.
Okay.
Bum, pow, bum, pow. Welcome back to the
X Factor.
X Factor. All right, so you know the format. We're roasting outfits. You know, we got some good ones. We got some.
Good ones.
Bro, you gotta finish my
Oh, wait. All right.
All right, we're gonna redo that. We got some good ones. We got some
Nasty little guys. That's what you wanted.
So we're here I got together some of my friends, some of my favorite YouTubers, influencers, and stuff. I put together a good selection of fits for us to choose from here. And we're just gonna go ahead and, what's the X Factor? Do they press a button?
I think they press a button if it's bad.
We're gonna press a button either way.
Oh, you'll never know.
You'll never know what it is. All right, so first up here, we got my boy Jose from Teachingmensfashion, probably the biggest fashion YouTuber.
No pressure for me. I don't know who this is.
Okay, so here he's kind of sexy.
Kind of spicy.
Kind of a bit of a spicy. Look at his bicep. It's like a part of his
He's
outfit.
a nasty little boy.
Anyways, here's very tropical. What do you... Oh, it's getting kind of hot.
Oh, Christian.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
X Factor. The most intense vacation of all time.
To Florida.
It's like he's doing...
Is it a Florida license?
He's definitely in Florida. When they say Florida man, they mean Florida man.
Man.
You know what I mean?
Oh, baby.
Oh,
The boots I'm not so sure about.
not so sure about those boots.
It's hard to tell what the shape is, what that toe shape is.
I know, is it pointed? It's probably curved because a lot of these men
Sorry, man.
don't really like the pointed, which I used to not like the pointed. I used to like the curved, the Bottega Veneta ones, these soft ones right here. But now I'm more of I like myself a little point. I like giving myself the edge.
Little edge. I think he looks good, though. I mean, that's a good outfit,
Well, if
right?
you look like this, you're gonna look good in anything.
He's cheating.
Half of the clothes are off.
Yeah, he's cheating.
He's barely wearing clothes. Trouble in paradise over here. All right, so this outfit, we got some...
This is your ally on the train. This is where when there's a confrontation on the subway and you look up, this guy makes eye contact with you and gives you like the, it's okay.
I was like, can you pass me those?
Yeah.
I was like, this is him. So then it's like, but pretend these are normal reading glasses. So he's reading his book, right? Pretend you do the confrontation. You be like the scuffle.
Okay. You're in my seat. I was calling that. So I was walking toward it. So you need to let me sit down. You need to let me sit down. No, I have.
And he does the anime that.
The first thing they shine.
And they shine, and then he goes. Omae
It's very chill.
He could be on a poster for like Uniqlo,
For sure.
Barnes and Noble,
For sure. Or Gap.
or Gap. He could. Jose's kind of the poster boy, the gold standard of YouTuber. I am more of the recycled plastics.
Good for the environment.
Good for the environment.
That's what you are.
I'm good for the environment.
That's a nice compliment. You're welcome.
Thank you, Jose. So, Jose,
Yeah.
out of these three fits, we hitting the button?
Wait, I thought the button was bad. We'll never know.
All right. Coming up next, we got my friend Joel
Ooh.
Gallucks. He's the proportion player 1. So, what do you think?
I'm into it. I'm loving that oversized puffer coat. That is cool.
See, so if Jose is the ally on the train, Gallucks is the guy that walks in and just takes up a bunch of room because of the biggest puffer jacket. He's just
But secretly, it's so soft that I'm a little bit like, I'll lean into it a little bit. Like, I'm like, I get a little bit
like,
close.
Oh, this guy is
I'm like,
so
this
in
guy's
the way.
really soft,
Oh my,
but I'm
bro, excuse me.
unbothered.
Excuse me.
I'm so sorry. It's so crowded on this train.
It's just so crowded.
And then somehow I steal his jacket.
And then Jose looks at you and goes, oh my God. Here, telling you, proportion player 1.
Totally.
What do you think of this outfit?
His frame is so good for what the jacket's doing.
No, his frame is just good in general.
It's good in general. You look great, dude. The shoes I'm really into. The platforms.
I think it really completes the outfit.
I would wear this. Can I borrow this?
Alex, can you Photoshop white Vans on him? It no longer works. The shoes have to be
Chonky chonk.
He would take your pencil and never give it back. Okay, what do you think? We pressing the button? This is Wisdom K. He's the king of the new game. I keep standing him that I'm like, if I keep showing my support, he's gonna unfollow me because I'm being too annoying. With grace.
He looks like a Georgia O'Keeffe painting.
I'm gonna pretend I'm cultured and
She paints flowers. She painted the flowers. A lot of them look like vaginas, but they're flowers and landscapes.
Hey, Wisdom, I never said that. That was...
I was going to say
Wisdom,
because someone in the
Hey,
comments,
Wisdom, I never said...
I want to say she painted more than that. She painted beautiful landscapes with beautiful coloring.
I like this a lot. I feel like and you know what my favorite part about this is? These are the Rick Owens Kiss boots. No, I'll show you.
Show me. I'm curious. They look really cool.
So, see, I want to buy a pair so I could put 6 foot in Kiss boots on my Tinder bio.
There you go.
And you know?
Honestly, I would wear this, so I'm a big fan.
I wouldn't actually wear this because I don't think I could pull it off.
I would wear it, and I know I can pull it off, so.
I know I can pull it off. I'm just being modest.
Come for me.
Okay? I'm just being... This is the X Factor.
I'm not going to apologize. I'm a judge on the X Factor. You think I don't know that I can pull off this outfit?
I'm changing the show. This is Iron Chef America.
Okay.
What's the Iron Chef America jingle?
Well, you keep saying jingle.
Follow my lead. Follow my lead.
Reign supreme.
Dun. Harmonize.
Chef
Dun.
America.
Dun. Dun. Iron Chef America. Sick. Next fit. See all those pallets behind him? Right before this picture was taken, those were live trees.
The man turned them into wooden pallets.
The trees upstage me.
I will destroy. Is the bottom half like jacket portion? Is that part of the pants as like a skirt top, or is that under the jacket as like a separate piece? I can't tell. I feel like they're part of the pants.
Yes.
Cool.
I don't know. It's also really the pose. Look at this.
Yeah, powerful.
What are you gonna do?
Run.
This is the last thing LeBron James saw before he retired. What are we thinking for Wisdom?
We're gonna high five.
Iron Chef America.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
What do they do in Iron Chef America?
You.
Oh wait, it's a point system. It's
Orange. Oh, we'll do chopped.
Oh,
Isn't
okay, we'll
chopped?
change it to chop. What's the chopped jingle? Follow my lead.
Okay.
Harmonize. Chop. Wisdom, you have been. Wait, that's bad. Wisdom, you have been
unchopped.
Unchopped. We're leaving you in. We're leaving you in. And
We're leaving you in.
Next guy.
Yes.
Johnny Ty, my old roommate. Fly with Johnny Ty. What are we thinking here? Oh, we were supposed to roast Wisdom. Let me go back.
Okay, let's go back.
Wisdom, you. Anyways, Johnny Ty. fly with Johnny Ty. I took this picture, 15-second photo shoot, fast speed run. What are we thinking?
I'm loving it. Again, I'm drawn to outfits I think that I would wear myself.
I think that, yeah, this is just very, very clean look. How do we do? We gotta start roasting these guys. We're
okay, sorry. I'll do it.
We got COVID tested this day.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good
negative,
for you guys.
Negative.
Negative.
You might have tested. You know. Okay. I got the roast.
Go.
You tested negative for COVID. You also tested negative for swag.
Oh!
Get him out of here.
Get him out of here.
Last fit. This is every man in Brooklyn.
This is every man in Brooklyn, and this is every man like doing this pose, staring wistfully off
Can we
into the
pretend to be
distance.
this man?
Yeah, ready?
It's like, this is literally you.
Fuck, I'm every man in Brooklyn right now. I'm gonna manipulate you into a relationship and make you think that you'll never find someone like me.
And I'm gonna tell you, at the peak of gaslighting you, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not looking for something serious.
Yeah.
Oh wait, let's just do ASMR now.
Okay. Yeah, I brought my reusable Trader Joe's tote with me. I pretty much bring it everywhere. I mean, I'm just that kind of guy. Sometimes I carry my small dog in it onto the subway.
See, to you it's a camera, but to me, it's a device used to capture the moment.
So it's a camera.
I don't read books. A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Oh no, his hat's too tight. There you go. There you go.
Whoa, God. All right.
Man, you were talking some crazy
What was I saying?
You went into Brooklyn guy mode again.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
oh my
it
God.
was
Wait, did I
pretty-
bring up my Trader Joe's tote?
You immediately.
Did I say something about my camera not being a camera? It's like a device.
Immediately.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Anyways, what are we giving Johnny Ty? Jesus Christ.
I'm still giving Johnny a big old. Oh wait, no, we're doing Chopped. We keep forgetting we're on Chopped Junior now.
All right.
The kids edition. Johnny, the potatoes were bad.
Can we, Alex, play the clip of the kid going, I need to restart my potatoes.
Johnny, that seems to be you.
To you, they're potatoes. To me, it's a gift from the earth.
They're fucking potatoes, John.
My friend Sangiev.
Yo.
Rick Owens mega lace pants. I'm pretty sure this whole fit is Rick Owens.
Hell yeah, baby.
What do you think? Hey, buddy, your shoelace is undone.
Hey,
Buddy, your
oh, I got it, right? Hey, did you just get out of the sarcophagus where the mummies are? Your pants look like a little mummy. Oh, that movie, The Mummy Returns, because here you go.
Oh,
This is why I don't roast the fits.
no, please keep doing that.
I think you look really good.
Oh, man.
What's his name?
Sanjeev.
Sanjeev, you look great.
She's lying. When the footage that I cut out, she went, this guy's gonna put a curse on him.
Because he's a mummy.
And here we go. The chaps.
The chaps.
Fashion week fit. What do you think of the chaps?
I love the chaps.
2319! 23!
We got 2319. I love chaps in general.
Yo, yellow's a
I
little
think
sus.
yellow's looking a little.
Yo, Sanjeev, where were you?
Were you
Were
an
you
electric?
What was your task?
I love chaps so much, and I think done right, they look cool as shit. And I think this is done right. Also, the 2-layer coat with that like quilt
Oh yeah,
inside.
I can't roast this guy.
Yeah,
He's too good.
He's also in Paris.
Yeah, in Paris. But where were you when you were doing your tasks there, Yellow?
Yeah, yellow's pretty quiet right now.
You're being pretty quiet right now.
Pretty quiet.
Okay, so what are we saying for Sanjeev? We don't even know what it means.
I don't know.
Here's my friend. This is Antwon.
We don't
Let me
know.
zoom in.
That is crazy. That's a cool jacket. Can I curse?
So where were you doing your tasks?
No, he was. I saw him. I can vouch for him. He was in medical.
Okay, I know we were roasting Sanjeev for looking like Among Us, but
Yeah.
let's be honest.
He's wearing a little suit.
Okay, so we need to take his top and Sanjeev's pants, and that's the mummy.
That's the mummy. Yeah, they gotta meet. They gotta kiss.
You guys have to kiss. That's the rule.
Sorry, you gotta kiss.
That's the rule.
I said it on YouTube.
So what are we thinking for Antwon? Also,
Yeah.
these photos were taken pre-COVID. This man just loves wearing the mask.
Is this true?
Dude, tech where people have been wearing masks for years, and they're like, COVID happened. They're like, oh yeah, oh yeah.
They open up their drawer. They're like, I'm
They're
good.
like, you're only doing it now because your life depends on it. I was doing it when it was casual.
When it was casual.
Oh, you have to wear a mask because of government regulations? I would wear it to the Starbucks just cuz. Just
ahead of their
just
time.
cuz. Anyways, what are we thinking? Okay, my boy Jacob Starr. He's in there somewhere.
That's an outfit?
He's in there. He's in there.
Is the couch also?
He's in there. No, he's in there. He's Oh, there he is. He's you can see his face. Full Vandy the pink custom Louis Vuitton everything all over print. What do you
Jumpsuit?
think? Yeah, he's wearing the hoodie and the sweats. And the slippers too.
So here's my question.
No free feet.
Do you wear that out? Or is this an at home?
I mean, you can do whatever you want.
suppose you
Sanjeev
can.
literally looks like the mummy.
This is true. And this guy looks like he's going to a slumber party.
This guy, I like the idea of like, bro, you're like perpetually on the way to a slumber
Or
party.
you're constantly going to slumber. This person loves to slumber.
Oh, Jacob, another sleepover, bud?
I mean, looks
You got another sleepover there?
looks so comfortable.
Oh my God, didn't you hate it in school when you swagged up, right? And your friends go, what's the occasion, huh? What are you dressed up for? Anyways, Jacob, what, you got another one of those, you pulling an all-nighter?
Pulling all nighter.
Lost some sleep there, eh?
I think that looks comfy.
I like it, it's very comfortable.
Yeah.
And here we go,
Whoa.
he
Whoa.
loves his patterns. He loves his loud stuff.
Heck yeah, and he rocks it.
Bro, there's someone stealing your car.
Yeah, wait, turn around.
Jacob, your car.
Jacob, turn around.
The fit looks sick, but
There's a shirtless
turn
guy.
around, turn around. He goes,
taking
change
your
the
keys.
pose?
Yeah, he's like, you want to
Turn
see my
around.
butt?
Anyways, what are we giving Jacob? If we could see him. Sick. Coming up next, we got my friend Anthony Deluca.
Coming in looking like Cloud from Final Fantasy.
He looks nothing like Cloud from, the hair.
Yeah.
I was like, he just looks like a
The
Cloud.
light colored clothing is not Cloud's dark color.
He's
I know.
literally just Cloud.
He looks like a Cloud.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
he
looks
doesn't
like a
even
Cloud.
have to be from Final Fantasy.
I just like the hair. Okay, yes.
Dude, we're gonna be like eating food and I'm just gonna be sweating.
Looks like a Cloud. I want to take a bite. Looks like cotton candy.
I just want to take a bite.
I want to take a bite.
You ever see someone's outfit and you're just like,
I want to eat that.
I just want to take a bite, bro. And here we got number 2, who's slowly starting to look more like Cloud.
Yeah, I think he's transforming.
He's just making his way downtown.
Walking fast.
Faces past.
And I'm homebound. And I need you. And I miss you.
And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky.
Do you think this guy
Would pass me by.
Oh,
Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see him tonight.
I gotta say, I appreciate Christian having me on because it introduces me to so many cool ass people and cool fashion stuff that I would never think to do on my own.
Sydney almost said that I would never wear.
And every time I get dressed, I need to ask myself, am I being every boy in Brooklyn today?
See, I'm not like every other boy.
I'm not like every girl. I'm worse.
I heard you like bad boys, because I'm pretty bad at everything.
All right, so how do we transition from there?
Have you ever wanted to make a website?
What?
Well, the best place to make a website is our sponsor for this video, squarespace.com.
Wait, no, I have to do the...
You may be wondering who I am. Well, it's not easy getting to know me, but you know what is easy? Making a website with Squarespace. Squarespace is the best place to make a website for absolutely anything with over hundreds of designer templates. You can make a website personal and yours because we're not like them other boys. We're different. Personally, I used it to make the website and the web store for my other show, Recrea. We did a merch launch. It went absolutely beautiful. And all I did was use the integrated e-commerce tools that Squarespace gives you right there in the website builder. And it was easy. I made it in 30 minutes and bam, we were good to go live. And if you're different like me, you can make a website for whatever you want at squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic. You'll get 10% off your first order and a free trial of the website builder just to see how easy it is. So go now, go make your website because we're not like them other boys. We're different. Squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Oh my God.
I'm not like every other boy.
You know what's funny? He doesn't sound like that. This sounds like a Budweiser commercial.
You're right.
Have you ever wanted to just take the truck downtown
Oh, Jesus.
and decompress after work? Well, America's finest beer.
You drive while drinking? What ad are you? Oh, you're losing it.
Before this just goes completely downhill, where can we find you?
You can. Thank you so much for having me on for another roasting bit. I love hanging with you.
Well, I'm not looking for anything serious.
All right, neither.
Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you Wait, what did you just drop?
I don't know.
Sydney, what did you drop? What did you...
My album.
And...
I dropped an album. It's called The People Person. Christian wants me to plug it. I worked really hard on it. If you want to listen to it, it's on Spotify and iTunes and Bandcamp as well. It's a self-titled album.
I'll leave it in the description.
You can find me on Instagram at ChristianVY.
He's not like other boys on there.
I'm not like other Instagrams. You can also catch me on Twitter at JK_Wiley.
Totally not like
For the internet's hottest takes.
other boys.
Thank you, Squarespace, for
Thank you.
sponsoring today's video.
Thanks, Squarespace.
And,
You're not like other brands.
new episodes of the podcast are out, and thank you to all my friends for involuntarily hopping in here. I'm not
Thank you.
not looking for
No,
anything
not serious.
serious.